Take 3.
4.
I meant take 4.
Hey guys, Rob here, Yellow Rose Ranch. Welcome to my ranch. Today is pig weaning day. We had a couple litters. They're out on pasture. We recorded that, how we round up all the piglets. Figured out a pretty easy system. That'll be coming up. Show you where we're gonna train these guys on electric fence and how we're doing that. We're gonna let this little girl join them. She's been raised inside for the past 3 weeks. She had a negligent mom. Siblings weren't doing so well. Pulled 2 of them. She made it, the other one didn't. We got her eating solid food. She's put on a lot of weight. She was skin and bones when we first rescued her. But yeah, she's ready to join her siblings and cousins. But yeah, come along. I'll show you how we did all that. Show you our little training pen, and in a week or 2 all these guys will be separated into boys and girls, and they'll join the rest of the crew out of pasture. Alright, so a little area of shade for them. We got one hot wire running pretty low to the ground. Mostly 6 inches away from the fence, a little farther in some spots. Got a Premier 1 fence tacked down to the ground, so these guys can't get out of that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed everything. As usual, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you next time.